Pull. Keep it steady.
Okay, got it. Secure. Release confirmed.
Keep your eyes peeled for anything unusual.
I think I see something over there.
Keep your eyes on the ground, B.
Something's not right here.
Just ahead. Just ahead. Be careful. Pull. Keep it steady.
Okay, got it. Secure. Release confirmed.
Line up that hook to the strut.
On it, watch your step.
We need to secure this section first, then the tail.
Ready the cables now.
Slow descent. Stop at that mark. I'm steady here. Hold it there. Watch the wind. Clear. Keep it slow. Watch the right side. Stop here. Catch the wind. Keep it steady on that left line. All right. Alignment looks good, lifting slowly. Set her down slowly. Roger that, steady as she goes. Perfect.
Looks good. Yeah, perfect.
Keep the light right there, that's it.
Got it.
Just a little more on the edge. Looks much better now. Keep it steady, down slow.
Watch the far side. Easy does it.
Just a little more. All right, it's resting.
Good, let go of the hook.
Tightening this one, check the alignment.
Looks good, moving the light for you.
Verified. Moving to the next one. Almost there.
Try this one.
Thanks. I see something on the 6th blade from the top. Getting the angle now. Looks like surface abrasion.
Readings are stable.
Verified. Moving to diagnostics.
Cables in.
Running diagnostics now.
Looks good here. Let me double check the struts.